Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Who can resist these freshly baked dinner rolls from the oven? Guys, I can't. These light fluffy dinner rolls are impossible to resist, homemade with just a handful of simple ingredients. So guys, let me show you how to make them. To start, in a large bowl, combine the flour with the yeast. I'm using instant yeast, guys. We're gonna also add in sugar along with salt. Mix everything together, then create a well in the middle. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Mix together half a cup of water and half a cup of milk. Then add in beaten egg along with 1 tablespoon of oil. Then mix everything until the dough forms. Once the dough has formed, we're gonna go in now and knead by hand for good 8 minutes. After 8 minutes of kneading, form a dough into a round ball. Drizzle with olive oil. Turn the dough to coat all sides in the oil, then cover with the plastic wrap. Allow the dough to rise in a warm place for 25 minutes or until doubled in size. Now we are back. It's been 25 minutes. Punch it down to release the air. Then divide dough into 6 equal pieces. You can just eyeball it, guys, or use a kitchen scale to weigh if you want them to be exact in size. Next, grease an 8-inch baking pan, then set aside. Now shape each piece into a smooth ball, then arrange in a baking pan. Cover shaped rolls with plastic wrap, allowed to rise for about 25 minutes. This is how our rolls should look after 25 minutes of proofing. They have puffed up. The rolls baked for 20 minutes. Remove from the oven and brush with melted butter, then allow to cool for a few minutes before serving. Yummy. I can't wait to dig into this, guys. My house smells so good, like a bakery. There you have it, guys. Easy dinner rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, leave a comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts about these dinner rolls. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.